I'm going to show you now how to adjust the volume on these. So obviously turn on your lightsaber by holding down the button and the blue light will appear. Now all you're going to do is hold the button for 1 second.
Low volume.
Low volume. Again.
High volume.
High volume.
Mute.
And mute. And if you'd like to turn your lightsaber on, all you do is press the button. We also have the option of changing the sound style. So if I hold down this button and turn the lightsaber off, now all I'm going to do is hold down this button for 2 flashes. 1, 2.
Red.
Now when I turn on the lightsaber again, it should be a completely different sound effect. So let's test it out. It's definitely something different. Let's try it again and see what else we get. One, 2.